Today, we're going to be talking about vector embeddings, which is one of my favorite topics. This is what actually got me interested in programming and coding and machine learning. So I'm super excited to talk about this with you all. I need to figure out where to put this window. Hold on. Okay, here we go. And yeah, thank you so much to Data Science Dojo for hosting this and doing this with me. It's going to be fun. So I am Victoria Slokum. As she mentioned, I'm a machine learning engineer. I have a hybrid role. I do a lot of coding, but I also do a lot of community engagement and content. My background is actually in linguistics academically, but I got into machine learning, engineering, and coding and NLP stuff because of vector embeddings, because they are so cool. So I'm really excited to talk about them today. So when we talk about vectors, this is vectors are a mathematical concept, and this is just a list of numbers, and we can do certain math equations and stuff with vectors. But when we talk about vector embeddings, it's this machine learning concept of basically turning media, whether it's words, text, images, video, audio, into a numerical representation, a vector that represents its meaning. And we do this through vector embedding models. So today we're going to go over sort of what is a vector, how does that work, but we'll also talk about vector embedding models. I'll show you how to create your own vectors and your own projects as sort of a precursor for next week's webinar on vector search. And we'll go into how to choose the best embedding model for your project at the end.